Installing a solar setup with multiple batteries and want them charging evenly and efficiently? Then chances are you're going to want bus bars in your system. Bus bars are one of the most common components used in battery-based solar setups, and they play a big role in keeping charging balanced and wiring organized. In this video, we'll break down what bus bars are, why they matter, and walk through a simple installation using our 10 kilowatt all-in-one inverter and 16 kilowatt hour batteries. Bus bars are solid metal conductors, usually copper or aluminum, that distribute current evenly throughout a system. In a battery setup, they act as a central connection point. Instead of connecting batteries one after another, each battery connects directly to the bus bar, and the bus bar then connects to the inverter. This creates a cleaner and more balanced system overall. Using bus bars helps distribute current more evenly between your batteries, which improves charging consistency and overall system performance. Without bus bars, batteries can naturally charge and discharge unevenly, especially in larger systems. They also help keep your wiring cleaner, simpler, and easier to troubleshoot down the line. Before installing bus bars, make sure they're properly rated for your system. For this setup, we're using 48 volt, 400 amp bus bars to match our 48 volt inverter and battery bank. It's also important to avoid stacking multiple wires onto a single terminal screw, as that can exceed the bus bar's intended design and lead to unsafe operation. You'll also want to pay attention to cable size and cable length. Ideally, each battery should use the same type and length of wire to help maintain balanced current flow. That's why keeping your batteries spaced closely together is important. For this installation, we're using the included battery cables so everything stays consistent across the system. You'll need one positive and one negative cable for each battery, and one main positive and negative cable from the bus bars to the inverter. Step 1. Connect batteries to the bus bar. Before starting, make sure all equipment is completely powered off. Start by connecting the positive cable from the battery to the positive bus bar. Then repeat the same process with the negative cable, connecting the battery to the negative bus bar. Once your first battery is connected, repeat the process for the remaining batteries. At this stage, all batteries should connect directly to the bus bars, not to each other. Step 2. Connect the bus bars to the inverter. Connect your main positive cable from the positive bus bar to the positive terminal on the inverter. Then, repeat the process for the negative side. Once everything is secured, reinstall the protective covers on the bus bars. Now, we can power the system on and make sure everything is working correctly. The main things you want to check are proper battery voltage reading on the inverter and confirming the bus bars are live and supplying power correctly. If everything looks good, your setup is complete. And just like that, you've integrated bus bars into your system and set your batteries up for more balanced and reliable charging. A great example of another type of setup is a server rack battery cabinet, like our SunGoldPower cabinet system. These cabinets use larger built-in bus bars along the sides to connect each battery together cleanly and consistently. From there, the main output cables can run directly to your all-in-one inverter for a streamlined installation. This is a simple example using one inverter and a small battery bank, but every solar setup is different. Some systems can become much more advanced depending on your energy needs, and we'd be happy to cover more complex configurations in future videos. If you're just getting started with solar or know someone planning a system, we hope this guide helped make this process a little easier. At SunGoldPower, we believe reliable solar should also be approachable, practical, and backed by real support. Subscribe for more solar guides, setup tutorials, and system tips. And let us know what you'd like to see next.